Good morning, babies. I'm walking from my car to Nora's house. They've been yesterday on a party, on a rave party, but I need the sleep. That was my rave party. I've been in the flat and the guys are so broke after the party, they sleep now, and I'm going to the cliff. Oh, look at how cute that is. Yeah, I wanna do cool drone videos and pictures. Let's see how it will be going on. And what do you think about my hat? It's for Nalu. I like this here. Is here. Can you see that? That looks very special. This here is everything rosemary. Oh my god, that smells so good. It looks like the party was good. And someone let the shoes here, but they are not too bad. That looks amazing. Why is he a share? I don't know. I hope your head is not flying away, Namo. Yeah. I want to fly here the drone, but yeah, you can see the helicopter. I need to be careful.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat. Grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea,
I flew here the drone, and then look at this. I'm excited for the word. This is the word dance, but I don't know what is the meaning for that. But it's like a dream. I flew the drone and see the beautiful I see from here the whole city, the whole Sydney, Bondi, Mayfield Tower, the bridge, and this. Oh my god, the ocean. It's amazing. I hate it. I'm on the next Bondi market where I bought my thin ring, this very small one. Now I have new ones. This one. Yoo-hoo. This is how we go to the beach with this here. It's a mini box.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
We're going to make party on the
Fully
beach.
charged, 16 hours.
They will listen to us.
Everyone
Of course.
listens. This is our party.
Woohoo!
And this is the Bondi beach life. I think to park here is a challenge for me, of course. I start to cook, and I forget to show you. Nora gave me for Nikolaus choco Nikolaus. It was so cute, but it's now here inside here. And I want to cook. Look at this, how big that is. It was only $2. This is a good size, I think. I cooked for 6 people, but it looks like for 20. And this is for the hard worker. He's sleeping already. Nothing. Only salt.
And love. Lot of love.
Good evening, babies. It's so quiet here. Oh my god. Yesterday was so busy here, and the police and stuff. Okay, one bus. I see one bus. And I'm walking to my car. It's the last days in the same place. I hope the police don't find me. And I like what I wanted to say is I like the group. I like the group life in this flat. I enjoy the time. It's a bit loud. And I'm so happy. Wish you a good night, baby. See you tomorrow.